Hello, my family and friends. Today, like I promised, I want to show you how Tubebuddy works. This is very interesting, especially to the new YouTuber. This is very important because in the beginning, I don't know how to optimize, how to use the keywords, but with Tubebuddy, it makes it a lot easier. So I'll see you in a little bit. Guys, I'm here now in my computer and I'm going to show you how Tubebuddy works, okay? I'll see you in a little bit. Now we need to finish to watch the video because I'm going to show you step by step how to install the Tubebuddy and why it's helpful to your channel. So you need to finish the video, and if you are not in my system yet, if you are not in my channel, in my group, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you will know when I upload a new video. Okay, I'll see you in a little bit. My family and friends, I'm gonna show you what is Tubebuddy. You need to finish the video because I'm going to show you step by step of how to do it. So why Tubebuddy can help you grow your business, you're gonna watch. So you need to install Tubebuddy. How to get started, you need to install tubebuddy.com. And then once it's installed, you can learn all the basic there. So first of all, see tubebuddy.com, and then so don't waste time. You can use the Chrome extension, you can use the Firefox and others. Okay, Google Chrome is the best for me. So why? Because you have everything, the keywords, the thumbnail, the test, and all the video analytics. You can see everything here in Tubebuddy. You have everything here, the dashboard, your videos, the playlist, the live streaming if you want to, everything you can see it here. You can use the default, the live streaming, and then apply that one, and then the title and the keywords, everything is there. Apply the cards, you can do that, and then you hit apply, and this is okay, and then go back to Tubebuddy, and then you can click on the video. They have the title, description, you copy that, you update, you delete, you can delete there. Everything, the instruction is there in the Tubebuddy. You can use the message there by group. You copy the cards, book copy cards. You can use all that, and you can do comments. Again, you can see all the comment section. You can use a reply to everybody. And then you can, but usually for me, I use personal messages to each one of them. But if you can comment, if there's too many, then you can use the bulk messages. So everything is there in the Tubebuddy. Can use thank you and welcome to my page. You can edit what it's in there in the Tubebuddy. And then you go back to the keywords, and then you type whatever description you have. And if it is very poor, you can use, because they have suggestions of which one is better. So see, can you see how good is the Tubebuddy? And you can see the historical one. You can do the mapping, the analytics. You can do and publish to whatever country. There's a summary, or whatever you want to do. So Tubebuddy is giving you let you explore. Tubebuddy is the biggest search engine through YouTube because Tubebuddy is trusted by YouTube, and you can see everything here. You can do all the research, and you can do the thumbnail here, and it will teach you you know, solid if you want, whatever color you like, everything it's over here. So go install Tubebuddy and it will help you to grow. Here you can see the tuber tools, and see Tubebuddy is have so many members there. You can see tags there, the keywords, suggested keywords. It's all free, guys. It's all free. You'll be happy. You subscribe and then join the group.